Today, I am reviewing GEEKOM A6 Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful, compact desktop solution, the GEEKOM A6 Mini PC is a game changer. Don't let its small footprint fool you. This mini PC packs the kind of performance that rivals full-size desktops, making it perfect for video editing, gaming, office work, education, and daily use. The GEEKOM A6 measures just 4 by 4 by 1.4 inches and weighs barely over a kilogram. Its sleek aluminum chassis not only looks premium, but also provides durability and efficient heat dissipation, ensuring that your PC stays cool even during heavy workloads. This compact design allows you to place it anywhere, on a desk, mounted behind a monitor, or even in tight office spaces, without compromising on performance. At the heart of the A6 Mini PC is the AMD Ryzen 7 6800H processor, an 8-core, 16-thread powerhouse with a maximum boost clock of 4.7 GHz. This CPU, paired with AMD Radeon 680M integrated graphics, delivers impressive speed and responsiveness. Whether you're editing 4K videos, producing music, running coding environments, or tackling everyday office tasks, the A6 ensures a smooth, lag-free experience. Even casual gaming is handled efficiently, offering solid frame rates for popular titles, making this mini PC versatile for work and play. Memory and storage are critical, and the A6 doesn't disappoint. It comes with 32GB DDR5 RAM running at blazing speeds of 4,800 MHz. This high-bandwidth memory ensures seamless multitasking, allowing you to run multiple applications and browser tabs without slowdown. Storage is handled by a 1TB PCIe Gen4 NVMe SSD, offering lightning-fast boot times, application launches, and file transfers. Additionally, it features an M.2 2242 SATA SSD slot, giving you room to expand up to 2 TB more if you need additional storage for media, software, or project files. Connectivity is where the A6 truly shines. With USB 4, USB 3.2, and dual HDMI 2.0 ports, this mini PC can support quad 4K displays simultaneously, making it perfect for creative professionals or multitaskers who need multiple screens. Wireless performance is equally impressive, thanks to Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring fast and stable internet connections, smooth video conferencing, and low-latency online gaming. A 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet port is also included for ultra-fast wired connections. The A6 is designed to be flexible and future-proof. It comes preloaded with Windows 11 Pro, giving you advanced productivity tools and enterprise-level security. But for tech enthusiasts or developers, it also supports Linux and Ubuntu, letting you customize your OS environment to fit your workflow perfectly. This mini PC also supports VESA mounting, allowing you to attach it to the back of a monitor or a wall for a clean, minimalist setup. Another advantage is the long-term support and warranty. The GEEKOM A6 includes a 3-year limited warranty covering design and workmanship defects, along with a 90-day no-questions-asked return policy. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. Plus, the package comes with all essential accessories, including an HDMI cable, power adapter, user guide, and VESA mount, so you're ready to set up your workstation immediately. In conclusion, the GEEKOM A6 Mini PC is perfect for anyone looking for a high-performance, ultra-compact desktop. Its combination of a Ryzen 7 6800H processor, Radeon 680M graphics, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and 1TB PCIe Gen4 SSD ensures that no task is too demanding. With its small footprint, versatile connectivity, and strong build, it's ideal for professionals, creatives, students, and even casual gamers. If you want a PC that delivers desktop-level performance without taking up desktop-level space, the GEEKOM A6 is an excellent choice.